Good afternoon, you are on ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to turn on Redmi phone without power button. Like and subscribe, let's dive in. If the phone is completely turned off, I don't know how to turn it on without the power button. But if only the phone screen is turned off, tap on settings, lock screen, turn on, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. Good. That's all I know. I hope my video was useful for you. Goodbye everyone.